Some men brought a blind man down. They begged him, please touch his eyes. Help him see, make him rise. I see people like tall trees, walking slow in front of me. Touch again, so I see right. Make it clear, give me sight. Jesus took the blind man's hand, led him from the crowd to land, touched his eyes and asked him then, tell me now what you see, friend. I see people like tall trees, walking slow in front of me. Touch again, so I see right. Make it clear, give me sight.
Jesus touched his eyes again. Then he saw all clear and plain. He could see all things so right. Everything was full and bright.
I see people like tall trees, walking slow in front of me. Touch again, so I see right. Make it clear, give me sight. Go back home, do not go there. Do not tell the people there. Stay away from all the town. I see people like tall trees, walking slow in front of me. Touch again, so I see right. Make it clear, give me sight. Once was blind, now he sees, healed by touch, now set free.